What is your will, my master?
Hey, good morning, Daniel. Quick demo video for you for your custom MHS Saber. You sent this over to Christopher Royal for powder coating over at Royal Custom Armory, and he did a really clean job on it. So he powder coated the handle and the neck here. Uh, it came back to me for install, and then I was waiting on this dual tactile switch from Robert Sotomayor. This is his aluminum dual tactile switch. It fits really good in here. So I got this at about 7:45 at night last night. And the mail's just, it's a little crazy right now. But I stayed up. I made sure that as soon as this came in the mail, I finished up the Saber for you, and I will get it out today and hopefully get it to your house before Christmas. Okay, so you've got CC Sabers in there for your main lit PCB. Like I said, it's a 2-button setup. If you turn it 180 degrees, I did have to put a grub screw right here for blade retention because you didn't have one. I also drilled the hole for this switch. How you get to everything is you just want to unscrew the handle here. Now you have one loose part on the Saber, and it's this ring right here. When you take the handle off, you've got this. I wasn't quite sure what you want to do with it. I didn't glue it down, obviously. I'm just going to leave it, in right here, and then you can do what you want with it. But here's your chassis. Just some things I like to do to it. It does have removable battery set up, so spring side over here. You've got 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker. It says Solo Sabers over here in Airbrush, and then you've got CFX for your install. This is a nice press fit down into the shelf, but you can pop your SD card in and out from here and never move the board, as you can see. So you can pretty much do everything you need to do with this board and not ever have to move it. All right, so we'll throw a battery in this guy. Battery does come with the Saber. It has the stock font package on it right now. So if you're going to add any fonts, you'll need to do that, right? Battery snaps in there nice and tight. And we'll take this and we'll just screw this right on. Now, as I mentioned to you last night, I did put this pommel insert in. I'll send the other one that you had with it. I'll send it with the Saber. All right. But now that we've got that battery in, we can hit activation. Your LEDs firing up. Nice smooth swing. Auxiliaries down here. If you hold it down, you get blade lock up. We'll turn it off like that. We'll throw a blade in. This does take a 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade. I'll just tighten that down. To get to another sound font, just hold down your aux until you hear this.
Sound bank selection.
Night 4. And we'll use either button to cycle up or down.
Crystal focus.
Crystal focus. Nebula. Nebula.
When you find one you like, hold the button down. Now this is set up. You can change color on the fly. Just hold down aux and twist your wrist. And now you can just twist the Saber. 3 different colors. In case you didn't hear me, because the Saber is incredibly loud, you just hold down aux and twist your wrist. You'll hear, forget what you'll hear. It's too early in the morning, but there's an audible cue to tell you that you're in that mode, and you can twist the Saber till you find what color you like, and then just hit a button when you find one. But this should be a blue blade now. You'll hear spectral. Right? Now, I also gave you a couple different blade styles. So, when the saber is on, again, we're going to hold down aux and twist our wrist, but this time we'll keep the button held down until we hear the next audible cue. Blade profiles. And again, you can twist the saber. To find different, and then when you find one you like, just hit the power button again. Good flash on flash. Just like that. We'll go ahead and take the blade out of it. So yeah, everything in here is working like it should. We'll go over taking the battery out real quick, which is really easy to do. Right, we'll just want to unscrew the handle again. And then from the positive side of the battery, which is over here by the speaker, you should be able to pull it out with your finger just like that. And that is pretty much your saber. Let me know if you've got any questions. And if not, I will get with you this morning and figure out what kind of shipping you'd like to do to try to get this over to your house before Christmas. All right, thank you.